They're already mentioning you.
What?
I said, did you see in the chat? They're already mentioning you.
Okay, well, we're not.
You're already mentioned.
You're not. Okay, we're not streaming it. Okay, just give me a warning, okay?
Well, I'm putting it on now. Let's take care of the disclaimer, and once that's done, we'll get to the charts. This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Please do not copy our trades. We're just trading to have fun. Many, if not most of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube. Due to the delay of the stream, there's a latency of sometimes 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds. We're active scalpers. We could be out of the trade in 10 seconds. You don't even see us opening yet and we're already out. We also trade offline, and I trade off camera. I have other charts, other screens, so you do not get to see the complete picture. Do not copy our trades. We are not licensed professionals. We're also not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90-95% of all traders lose money. We're not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Also, finally, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Please read and understand the rest of CFTC Rule 4.41, and let's get to the charts. Good morning, gang. I'm going to take a quick scan of the charts. I like to start with the 15-minute chart, give me a good overview of where we traded overnight. Let me get that up. I like to see where we traded in relation to the Asian session. The Asian session is the gray box over here, and we have traded above the highs of the Asian session, but we haven't traded below the lows of the Asian session. I can tell you guys a little trick that I use, a little tip. If we've traded on both sides of the Asian session, whatever side you're on, look for it to revisit the opposite side. You have a 80% chance that that's going to happen. Right now we haven't, so I am pretty bullish on the day. Let me see if I can give you an example here. Here's a perfect example. This was yesterday. So in the London session, we traded above the, remember the Asian session is the gray box, London session is the blue box. In the London session, we traded above the highs of the Asian session. We came down, broke the lows of the Asian session. We have an 80% chance we will now see the opposite side of the Asian session. So I can give you multiple examples of this. Here we just traded the below the low. So that was a bearish day for me. Here we traded below the low. Then we went to trade above the highs of the Asian session, and then we came back down during the US session and broke the lows of the Asian session again. That happens very often and gives you a great bias. So that's a little tip. Also, I'm sick today, so my voice is a little deeper than normal. Welcome to the new guys. Spaderico, James, 22 trades. James cannot be around today. Have fun. Well, it's too bad, James. Would have liked to have you in the channel. And let me also take a quick scan of the levels over here. Make the chart as tight as possible. So we had this dump on Monday that we're all familiar with. It was about 6%, 1,200 points, I think, maybe even a little bit more. Bounced off this level over here that formed January 14th. Came back up, 920 gold. I might just get distracted with the gold trade. Oh, give me a second. Yeah, we blew right through this level over here that was tapped into 3 times. January 17th, January 12th, January 8th. We blew right through it and then consolidated for, this is a 30-minute chart, so I would say, well, let's widen it up and I don't even have to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 300 minutes. That's like 5-6 hours. Price held above it. Touched it again, and now we're trading higher. Very similar to the action that we saw over here a few days back when we consolidated for a long time at this level. And now we are trading just a little bit under this zone here that I marked off. So as I said, based on the 15-minute chart, I'm got a bullish bias, but I'm an active scalper, so I will take trades on both sides, and the most important thing, what day is it today, guys? Don't lose sight of that. It's FOMC day. Last FOMC day, for you guys who weren't here, I had my my head handed to me on a chopper block. It was a very choppy day. Markets didn't want to make any decisions. It just, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm here, but you're only in my ears. You're not on the. Oh, okay, perfect. Yeah, I was just waiting for you to give me the A-OK. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they'll show up eventually. They're probably still wiping the sleep out of their eyes. I also trade an algo, a bot called Counterstrike, and it trades on a Bulenox account. I have Apex accounts, Bulenox accounts, and MFFU, my funded futures. My funded futures, I'll just put it up over here. I'm down 256. That's what Chip's fault. No, I'm just joking. That's from last night, from my sloppy trading in the evening last night. I made a couple of hasty decisions and I paid for it.
Yeah.
But I am going to be trading like a schoolgirl today, or a scared schoolgirl, because I remember what happened last FOMC day. It's kind of like,
you have to be so cautious.
Yeah, it was just a day that ran up 30-40 points, came down 30-40 points, and the way I trade, that's just death for me, because I needed to go up about 20-30 points before I'll start. Hello, Kelly M. I needed to go up.
Here. Yeah, Kelly M.
I know Kelly M. We went to school together. She sat behind me in chemistry. I'm joking. I don't know Kelly M. Maybe I do. I don't know. Kelly M, do we know each other?
That's good stuff.
My last name starts with M too. Who knows? Maybe that's my sister that was adopted by... Okay, I won't go there. Yesterday we were talking about a girl named Linda. I forgot Linda L. I forgot her last name.
No, don't say it.
I forgot her last name. I'm not saying anything.
No, don't even bring it
I'm
up.
from Belgium. No, that's a little far from where I'm from. I can promise you I'm not your brother. A lot of things I say don't take to heart. I'm a very sarcastic person, just so you know. Okay, so getting back to Counterstrike. Counterstrike is over...
Explain Counterstrike.
Counterstrike is coded to look at the 1-minute chart to identify momentum, and if it catches or identifies momentum on the 1-minute chart, this is a Renko chart. It's just candles based on price action.
Yeah, and a lot of people can't get Renko. I can't get it on trading, dude.
Okay, yeah.
You gotta pay for it.
Yeah, you got to pay for it. So I don't put it up really. I just watch it a little out of the corner of my eye. I have it on in a few locations that you guys don't get to see because I know people don't understand it. I'm going to explain it. I'm going to create videos to explain it. But basically, once it identifies momentum, what it will do is it will color the backgrounds. I can show you how that happens. I do the same thing down here with Heiken sheet charts on the. Oh, I have a new toy to show you guys. Yeah, I have a new toy to show you what chip. I love it. It'll color the background green for bullish momentum and kind of like a red, a brown, a sienna for bearish momentum. And if it identifies bullish momentum, the first bullish candle, it'll go long and looks to take profit. I think it's set at 8 points. So my Bulenox account right now, I can't get it up for you guys to see, but I want to see if it'll pass the Bulenox account. And the Bulenox account is at 50,975, so it's made about $1,000, and I've been trading it for max 7 days, but I think it's 6 days. I think I missed a day last week. So I've had a $300 day. That was on Monday with the volatility. I had a $150 day. I had one losing day. It was for, I think, $150. And it trades 3 lots. Today I'm going to keep it at 3 lots also, but I'm going to see. I mean, if it looks like it's getting hurt because of FOMC day, I'm going to stay away. I'm going to shut it down. Again, I'm scarred from the last FOMC day.
What's going on here?
Huh? Oh, I was making adjustments because of this. Guys, I'm sick. I got a cough. Give me a sec.
Sounded like an Alex. Alex is in the house. Literally. Alex, the man with the plan. Can he hear me? Can anyone hear me? Okay. Okay. Nobody hears me. It's okay. You gotta let me say hi to all my friends. No, my friends in the chat. 4 of them, I think. What are they asking? You're still muted. 22 trades. It says you're still muted.
Do you hear me? Anthony?
Oh, you put your thing in. Okay, so let me connect it.
Look at Spud in the chat. Who is that?
Where's Spud?
2 minutes to Wapner. Anybody's guess at the open? Bullish, bullish, bullish. I don't know. I'm just gonna see what the first candle does and jump on it, but my throat's really getting to me.
Did you watch that show, Judge Wapner?
I did, but the 3 minutes to Wapner, that's from the movie with.
You said you're still muted. YouTube.
Yeah, I am. I'm looking. No, on YouTube I'm not muted.
So where else would you be muted?
They're talking about
Alex, speak. I want to see which one you are.
I'm speaking.
Perfect. Copy solo link. Dave, let me set you up in a minute. I just got to get Alex. Got to do this quick. Guys, you should come in a little bit earlier so
To go to the bathroom.
I don't have to do it with 1 second left.
But you don't have to do it anyways.
Feeling fresh and revived for the day?
Yes.
Awesome.
I had to sleep on the floor because my grandmother came over.
Dave, speak. I got to find which one you are.
You had to sleep on the floor.
She slept good though.
Yeah, was it carpet?
No, it was a little mattress, but like the foam is like so thin that my whole body just sinks straight to the floor, to the carpet.
That's good sleep, I guess.
Yeah, it was good. I slept good.
Dave, you in? You want to do a sound check for me?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, it's all working. Okay, it's a full house. Sounds like I'm crying, but no, it's just my voice.
Full
I think I'm gonna get laryngitis. I'll just do a sound check for my voice. 2 seconds over here. Do I have time?
We hear you.
No, it's 9:30. Ah, shit.
Okay, here's the open. Not that you want to do anything right now.
I always want to do something on the open. Are you kidding me?
No. FOMC. Say it 5 times. fast.
Just a 3 lot. Just a 3 lot.
No.
I have to. If the first trade's a winner, I'll continue. But if the first trade's a loser, I'll stay away. Yeah. So are we bullish or bearish at the moment? Right at the moment, I'm bearish.
Taps into an older fair value gap. I feel like it always moves.
So we could flush. We don't know. 9:30 volatility.
Oh my God, it's low. It's only 8 points on the 1 minute.
So we wait.
Yeah, just wait. Don't.
Normally FOMC days we have decent price.
Okay, I started my morning with
this is
$100
pretty
trade, so
surprising to
I'm
me
happy with
for-
that.
Well, no, it's gonna wick. Okay, this is normal. Stay away from the wicks.
I hope I didn't take profits too early. Wow, look how close that is. Those two accounts. 156.50, 156.
I absolutely love watching the 1 minute chart. I don't care what it does. I just love it. It's like so honest, right in your face. Carnage, people losing money immediately. It's so freaking great. I love it. Especially not being in it and just watching it. You're like, yeah. I didn't do that. It's great. Patience.
Coming close to the previous day's close at 21,558 about.
I would love to.
Target failed. Bulenox took its first trade. Counter-Strike took its first trade. There it is. We're up on the thing. Bearish background, brown. Counter-Strike went short on the first bearish bar, took profit. And you can see BX, it's the Bulenox account, that's up $44. So one trade was for $44.
Nice.
Excellent. First trade.
Yeah.
Thank you, Counter-Strike.
Say 5 times FOMC.
Yeah, 5 times fast.
Anybody want to see a dad punch his son?
Oh God, I just saw the cat come upstairs. He's gonna come tell me to say
Yeah,
Asian
your
session
cat's
lows are
been
being
hot. Your cat's
touched.
been really hot-handed, like hot pod or whatever. On the sell orders.
Well, we kissed the Asian session lows.
Okay. All I really care about is 21, 838.75.
I really can't say we broke them, but
If it doesn't try to go there, then I don't care about anything. And it's probably not going to go there. It would go there on the news
yeah.
in the afternoon.
Look at it a bit.
That's not me, just saying. Okay, I made money on the first short, so I'm taking a long right now.
Oh, yeah.
I
There's a good
wanna-
gap
I wanna-
fill
I
on
wanna
the
take
4
them
hour
along.
below it.
Nope, gotta get out. That one didn't work out. Gotta flip short.
Yeah, it's a short to 21,462.
Let's go. Let's go. This will be my.
I'm not trading this. I'm not doing it. But I'm saying 21,462. I think.
Yeah,
It's
another.
a 4-hour. It's a 4-hour obvious. Deer in the headlights move.
Yeah, no, this is just my trade the open system, and I'm allowed 3 trades. So this is my 3rd trade. After this, I'm done. Yeah, Dave, you heard FOMC today? Come on, take me out. I don't want to go into red on this. 72. I gave back some money on the Apex. I'm up 21 now.
Oh man.
You're still in?
Me?
Yeah.
No, where do you see that? Oh, your chart's maybe not up to date. You may have a large delay.
I didn't hear you exit.
Yeah, no, I'm out.
Do we have an imbalance? Oh, there is a little one. You see it?
Yeah.
It's tiny.
Shit.
It's 2 points wide. 577.50 and it's a little more than 2 points. 579.
Come on. Poke higher. Take me out. Small trade.
Enough.
What did I get on this? 58 to 67. 9 points. I should have had it. I shouldn't be in this trade anymore. It gave me my 9 points. Yeah, I can't let this go red on me either. I'm not going to take risk. Yeah, that's too bad.
I was running around looking for something.
Chat's not saying anything. Do they have any ideas?
Oh, the chat. I heard the cat.
No, not the cat. The cat always says sell. We know that by now.
Damn, that's too bad. I had a 10-pointer there. Yeah.
22 trade says meow. Meow. Yeah, I can't do a good meow. You guys are cat people, I guess.
Well, you gotta put more heart into it.
Well, we also have a dog and a mom, so.
Yeah, our dog is like a cat. Well,
That's such a weird way to say it, but okay. I know. Based on your existence, you do have a mom. Yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
I was putting her in the same boat as the animals.
Counter-Strike is short.
You guys.
I put the chart up.
But now the cat's actually back.
Let's go Counter-Strike.
It is.
Target
It's
failed.
so- I told you.
Hey,
Your cat is genius.
children, target
Look, she's meowing. Look at the chart.
Yeah, I'm serious.
Target
Every
filled
time.
on Counter-Strike. The bot just took another trade, and Bulenox is now up $88. That's the BX account that you can see on the screen. I put up the trade there.
Oh, you got another?
Yeah.
Nice. Very good. Very good. Mathematician, coder. Now's the time to just hang out and have fun and talk about price.
Even $100 a day is phenomenal on a 50K account. If you copy trade that,
Oh yeah.
you're killing it.
You get 100, 200. Yeah, I mean that's.
Well, $100 a day on a 3 lot is 33 points. So I almost have 33 points already.
I've had a problem of fixating on the 8-day to pass, and then so you're like, okay, so I got to make 350 every day, and you focus on that.
I
and
look
then
more at the amount, and then think about
messes
copy
with
trading
your
it.
head.
And I'm also quite conservative.
Same thing with micros to minis. You start thinking about the dollar amount all of a sudden, and it's not that. You just have to actually have a setup and trust it. Like, here's my stop, and here's my gain.
No, I was just because I
And
wanted to
it's
get
worth
to
it, right?
Counter-Strike.
No, I'm not saying you. I'm just saying me, like in general. Like,
Dad, you sound muffled, like you're talking in like Like your mouth is in the thing.
No, it shouldn't be. I think we're using. I'm using the. I'm not using my headset mic. I'm using another mic. Shouldn't be. But the funny thing is, I'm looking at the audio and it's only showing one channel instead of two. Everyone has two channels, and now I only have one.
Okay,
What
David,
happens?
what does it want on the downside? What are you looking at?
Yesterday's PM. Yesterday's
Okay.
PM session at 21. What is that? 21,513.
Okay.
Yesterday's PM low.
Testing 1,
Did
2.
it spiked it already, no?
No,
That's
I
not
didn't take
working.
it yet.
What's wrong with the kitty? He wants treats, man.
You're right. That's
And
a
it'll
good
put us
call.
in a in
Yeah.
a 1 hour for value gap. So we'll see if we react from there.
Very cool.
And then comes 10 o'clock. I want to see some sort of manipulation in any direction, which will form the high or the low of that new 4-hour candle, and then look for the distribution the other way.
Took 280 on that little long there. Way to go, Spud. I'll send you all of our emails. Share the love. What are we, 4 here? $70 each. Our commission.
Hey, Mike, am I on the stream?
You
Audio
are.
wise?
They hear you.
I see a chat from 22 Trades. Yeah, he said the 8 data pass is the killer for the mindset. I was doing the same thing.
8
Okay,
data passes.
I didn't know you could hear me.
8 data passes killer on the mindset. 1 data pass, which what Apex does.
Well, that's for eval, right? But,
Okay. Oh, so then 8 day, not
no, like the
but
8
for
day
payment.
funded.
Wow, look at that. Why did you cough? Look what you just did.
You scared the cat away. God damn it.
Okay, so you're
Go
talking
up now.
8 days to get paid. Like you need to trade 8 days to get paid.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't think about it. Would you think about it if you had your own account, your own cash account?
Well, but the
Here
hurdle
comes
for
yesterday's
me,
PM.
the hurdle for me was like, I can pass evals like easy, but that doesn't help me with the funded
Yeah.
because you have the consistency rule.
Target
Yeah.
failed. I don't know if anybody heard that. Bulenox just took another winner.
It's like way harder mentally.
Right over here. Went short and covered. So I got 3 winners in the bag.
Yeah, shorts are doing you well. 3 in a row.
What's happened?
Well, that's really weird. Did you touch a cable? Alex's monitors just went all black.
There's no cables here. The only cable that's here is my headset.
Hey, did you guys see that move at 1 a.m.?
No.
One candle was
Oh,
like
yeah, I see it.
60 points or something. And it was at no news, nothing, just out of nowhere. And I kind of looked at it like manipulation. It made no sense.
Okay, we just swept yesterday's PM session.
Only 21,462 is almost there. That's the 4 hours.
Is anyone waiting for a reversal to the long side? Spud wants to know.
Yeah, of course. I mean, there's a gap above that wants it. Wants to be filled, but it's FOMC. Right?
Well, and me, I'm primarily a trend trader, so I'm going short until the market proves that it wants to go higher.
I feel like FOMC is the singular day of the month that is different than all other days.
Yeah, but normally price action is fine until like noon, and then it starts to chop a bit, and
Yeah.
it can destroy more. It just goes for highs and lows nonstop until 2 o'clock, and then 2 till 3 is like just complete anything, and then 3 o'clock will normally be one direction till 4.
Yeah, and that's a scrap. I mean, do you trade that after Powell talk?
If I go on like at 3 o'clock, 2:45, just to see where we are in the charts, and then try to trade after 3 o'clock.
I just heard order filled, but I don't know where that was.
You hear mine?
Oh, okay.
Somebody's not being transparent with their trades.
No, I don't do it. I'm not doing it right now. I'm doing my dad's rank code.
Target filled. Bulenox just took another winner. And me, every time I click buy the bid, the market just shoots higher. Call in the bin.
Yeah, Mike.
Not being nice to me. Every time I'm ready to take profit.
What are you talking about? You're killing it.
9:45. We have an S&T now. That's why I look for reversals. Starting from 9:45.
So I have two accounts that are I have only one account that's in profit. The sim is a test. I'm testing my new toy. I'll show you guys later.
Yeah,
I was on
4
sim.
hour just switched into the 4 hour for value.
And then over here I got losing accounts. My Apex, which I'm manually trading, minus 347, and my MFFU, which I trade in the evening session, which is 256.
Okay, what?
Well, I'm being transparent. It's not that I just show my winners. It's just the way the display organizes it.
Hey, we all hopefully admit
Right, I don't care. I don't say I'm
all
a great
our
trader.
trades. I do. I lose. You guys see me do it.
Well, we've easily broken the Asian session low, so theoretically at some point in the day we should head back to 21,611.
Yeah, and by the way, just take a deep breath. It's only been 15 minutes, okay?
Oh, I
I
thought,
tell myself that all the time.
Yeah.
Just take a deep breath for a second and think about the clock. It's only been 15 minutes. You've already gotten 3 trades that were winners, which is amazing and awesome, right?
oh, that's on Counter-Strike. I don't know if 3-4 winners are ready for Counter-Strike.
3 in a row of the trades I thought I saw you take were all winners.
Let's go. Come on, squeeze it lower. Squeeze it lower. Squeeze it lower.
I just don't feel like there's enough information yet.
Yeah, me either.
You know what? I'll open up my stream, I think, today for FOMC. I'll come in at 1:45.
Huh?
Okay,
You'll stream
got a
all
little
day.
back.
What are you talking about? You're on the clock, sir.
Let's watch Counter-Strike. It's short. And if Counter-Strike takes profit on this trade, I will close it down. Let's go.
Oh, this looks heavy.
Good.
Yep.
I need it to be heavy.
Yeah, maybe it's gonna want.
Come on, push it lower. Take me out. I'm echoing somewhere.
Well, 462 is my original. Oh, that's the 4 hour fair value gap.
S&T at 9:45.
$9.45.
Yeah, exactly at 9:45.
How are you
Yeah.
doing that? You're doing that on the 1 minute with ES?
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, I never seen it. I never thought to look at it that way. That's cool. I didn't know that was a thing.
A lot of the times, the last 15
It's
minutes,
just-
like 9:45 to like 10:15, when you have those SMTs, a lot of the times they hold pretty well.
Damn. I don't have the vision for that. You have to be able to see them to do it.
Yeah, I'm used to it.
'Cause
But I
it's
also
so
have an
quick.
indicator.
That's so quick.
Break even, loss, break even, loss, break even, loss.
Oh, that's cool. But still waiting.
Oh, you
Yeah.
missed that one.
Too fast.
Oh, my throat's burning.
We didn't miss anything yet. What are you talking about?
For you guys that are new to the channel, if you can hit the subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. It's a new channel. Help me get off the floor out of the YouTube
Yesterday's
basement.
lunch low is right above the 462 anyways, so it's the same thing. This is-
It's just almost time to enter on an opportunity like that.
This 30-second candle gives me immense speed up and closes the 947 fair value gap. On the 30-second, I'll take it. Put myself to break even pretty fast. Oh, so close. See how this one reacts.
My charts don't load on Ninja. Never. It's retarded.
I don't know what that
30
means.
second, it doesn't move. It just says loading for an hour.
That's another SMT on here.
That's weird. It shouldn't be like that.
It never loads. It can never switch time frame.
Okay, I think the first real imbalance is at the 941 candle, the dump right there, and there's good fair value gap. Tested it three times. All the bodies respect to the lower part.
You're wired also. It shouldn't be like
Hanging
that.
chart, look, loading. It's been loading for 4
We
minutes.
gotta figure out. I gotta play with it and see if there's some hanging data somewhere. I know you looked at your cash. I got a 6 lot long. I got to take profit at 530. That's not a time. That's a price. I'm in at 21, so it's 9 points. Okay, taken out. I don't know why only a 3 lot took out. Get rid of the other. There we go. Chip away at my loss a little bit.
It's
No.
it's
No,
stabbing it.
Yeah, I am now.
What do you
break
think?
Even for that 30-second long there. Probably stop me on break even, but if it runs, it runs.
Oh, you're in?
Oh, nice. You got that? That's cool.
I wish mine loaded. I would have taken it, but my chart's been loading for the last 4 minutes. It's still loading. It takes long to load a 30-second chart.
Yeah,
You got
those are
time?
powerful moves.
Close it.
I never played
The
it
chart
across.
exit.
I played across a fair value gap.
Let me, inverse value. I'll sell one just to take
New
full. That
chart.
one that I took off. I took 2 cons. The one that I sold made 460.
Nice. Holy
And
moly.
then the last one I'll ride for
in queue.
the 9:30 open. See if I get lucky. 9:30 open. Actually, the true day open, the midnight open at 597. Where is that?
Oh man.
97.
Wait.
See if I get
Days to load
lucky.
one. That's a lot of data.
Oh, what's going on?
I think it's
That could
not
be a
good
reason. Also depends on how much data you're trying to load.
this morning.
Yeah, well, even if
Okay, we'll
stops
fix it
me
later.
on-
The colors and stuff.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, you did great. That's awesome.
We'll redo that. The white one too. You should
Nice
close
job.
Yeah, stop me on 470. Not bad at all.
Good. You saw it. You did it. That's all that matters.
I'll catch something else for sure this morning.
That's a retest. Oh, I didn't get it. I'm not gonna do it.
Yes, right now.
All right.
it. Okay, come on. 40 pointer. We're due for a 40
where's
pointer.
our long pull? Where's our 40 pointer? Let's see. Look for that long pull. ES has a pretty good target.
I'm long at 26.
10 points higher.
So I got a good entry on this trade. If we can get 572 on this.
Still looking at the 30-second chart. There's 2 fair value gaps to inverse.
30-second. Slow down.
Yeah, I use the 30-second and the 1 minute interchangeably, but mostly the 1 minute. It's more rare the 30-second. But if sometimes I see something I really like on the 1, but there isn't a fair value gap to inverse, I'll go down to the 30-second to see if there's a really obvious one.
Yeah, that is super interesting. When I started using NinjaTrader, because I have TradingView and I pay for whatever subscription,
Yeah.
I can't go below
Bugger.
a minute. So
Oh, you don't see the 30-second.
no, but with TradingView, I can, or I'm sorry, not TradingView. With NinjaTrader, I can see the down to the 5-second or 1 second even.
Yeah,
And I've
like right now on the
messed
30-second,
around.
in the 30-second, there's something that I look for, like in price. It looks like we're definitely going to head lower.
Yeah, it's interesting how so many people I've talked to that trade think the 1 minute chart is noise. Like they say, oh, it's noise. But then you're talking about 30-second, and I can appreciate it now, filtering through all that, stuff that other people say is like, oh, don't pay attention to that.
Yeah.
And then you learn
It's
more, and
rare.
you're
I
like,
use the 30-second. The 1 minute is normally my entry place, but sometimes like on the 1 minute, I won't have that fair value gap for the sweep, but then I go down to the 30-second and I have it. And price is fractal. These things are fractal.
Yeah.
You see on the 5 minute, you'll see the same patterns on the
It's all
1
the same.
30-second,
Yeah.
15-second.
it
But
repeats.
I find the more you go down, the less accurate you could be.
True. Yeah, that's kind of why I anchor myself to 15-minute and 1 minute side by side, pretty much.
I hate when you have this sideways momentum from 10, like it's just chopping back and forth. We'll see if we inverse things now on speed. Nothing I like though for now.
Yeah, the ATR's gone up a lot, right? But it's sideways.
Yeah, but 24 points is very good.
It is.
24 points
So is
is
that-
it's a lot of volatility for that's each 1 minute bar is averaging 24 points.
Mike, do you ever gauge your stop based on the ATR?
No, but my profit target, yeah.
Oh, okay. But not your stop?
No. My stop, I have other indicators or chart setups that'll tell me when to get out. Wow, I'm getting
Wow.
hurt again.
It's
I think
good.
it's-
A lot of chop right now, that's why
Yeah,
ES formed an SMT with NQ, and now we're just going back down. We're just moving sideways.
I think it's time to
Too
stop.
tough, yeah. It's
I'm gonna wait for 10 o'clock. See what 10 o'clock is.
anybody in the chat, just
So
realize
use that 10?
this is FOMC day. This is not the day you want to be
Use that 10?
fooling around.
But 10 o'clock is the new 4-hour candle. So I want to see if like the 4-hour candle, the wicks, you'll get your manipulation and your distribution. I want to see if we'll get some sort of manipulation at 10 o'clock. Because right now, if you see on NQ, for example, every high we're making, we're leaving in place. All those highs that we're leaving are eventually going to get taken out. Those are the highs that I want to get.
Oh yeah, we don't have a chat moderator. Sorry, 22 trades with the 5:15 and 1 are all looking bearish at the minute at 6:44.
Yeah.
Oh, that's 9:44 if you're on Eastern time.
Oh, your show's 6:44.
I'm just trying to keep up with the chat a little bit.
Yeah.
Nobody's paying
No,
attention.
I'm reading
to
it.
all
I'm
the
reading it. Took
fellows,
another 250.
all the folks.
30 seconds
joining.
would fry my brain. I was going to say that I'm following the 15-second, but I
Oh,
want
Spud got another 250
I didn't
on that.
wanna scare
Lovely,
anybody
he
away.
says. What lovely.
New
Missed the
Zealand.
lovely. Damn. That's good for Spud. You got 280 and then another 200.
New Zealand is amazing. I think it's a super beautiful place to live.
Oh, nice. He's in New Zealand.
What chip? Where are you from?
Much better than Australia.
Woodchip hails from California.
Cool.
Yeah, bro. I mean, is that what I'm supposed to say?
Surf's up.
Exactly. Surf's
Ride the
up,
wave,
man.
dude.
Where are the waves, bro?
Someone lost the connection. Dave, check. I heard connection lost.
He's talking, I'm talking, everyone hears us. It's not us.
Yeah, I'm in Northern California, so not near any of the fires. As of the recent fires that were crazy.
There's a lot of conspiracies going around about those fires.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I grew up down there, right where the Eaton fire was, Pasadena.
You're lucky you got warm weather year round.
Yeah, I told him. Appreciate it. Don't take it for granted.
I'm 23 years old. I feel like I have arthritis from the cold.
Damn.
Yeah, it's amazing in the 22 trades, and your temperature in certain areas of New Zealand is like insanely stable throughout the year.
Oh yeah, it's completely beautiful. I've never been, but my ex-girlfriend went up there for a while with her friends. He made the snowboard, what do you call it?
Surfboard.
The snow, no, the. Oh my gosh!
Hey,
He
we-
made the parks, the skate parks, the snow parks, or what do you call them?
Skateboard.
No, he's talking about snow.
Snow.
Ah,
like
the
snow parks. I
snowboards.
don't know what they call them.
ski hills. I don't know. What's a snow park?
No, they're ramps. Like he actually drove the tractor and built the. He went out to New Zealand to do it
Okay.
for whatever.
We got Spud British here living in Thailand for the past 15 years. Send us pictures.
Alex,
Yeah.
see how we just sweep the high but respect the different value gap at 941?
Yeah.
If we continue to stay within the fair value gap, the bodies, and then we inverse 10 o'clock, I'll take it short. Doesn't look like it though.
You're looking at the 30-second.
For 1 minute.
I was kind of thinking that you'd want to long that, no?
Yeah, but there's a signature in price that I look for that happens rarely, but it has like a 90% hit rate. Right, it didn't form anyway, so nothing there.
Up to 32.
I
Yeah,
still feel like
you're
very
in your summer
uncomfortable
season
about
now.
taking a trade.
Yeah, I know there's a lot of chop right now, and there's
Like I kind of want to go long right then, but then I was like, no, I still feel like bad. Like
Q is holding weak, and
No runners. FOMC day.
when you
Q's
drink-
holding weak. ES is running high. SMT after SMT. I hate when that happens.
Well, we just traded up into the previous day's close and got rejected instantly.
Daily open too. Yeah, exactly. You say the close, I say the open.
Yeah, well, they're the same price because it's an hour later. How much difference can there be?
what?
No, the open and the close is like same time. Yours close for you. It's the close for
The
me.
clo-
It's the open.
yeah.
A second later, and the new day opens.
Oh, really?
Talking about the 6 p.m.
No, for me it's 5 o'clock, but Ninja Trader gives me 5 p.m.
Oh,
Screw them. Like why?
Yeah, that's
Why
it.
do you accept what they give you?
I don't. I sent a letter to support. It got ignored.
Screw 5 p.m. Tell them. You tell them. Make it 6.
wow! It looks like we're gonna inverse that for value.
What are we doing here? That's the 30-minute chart. 15-minute chart.
Hit the daily open and inverse the 1 minute.
Anybody in the room trades the initial balance, either a break of the initial balance or a retest? Does anybody fade the initial balance? It's going to close. Well, we're still 26 minutes away. The first 1 hour. I look at it, I trade the retest. It's what also trades by Matt trades. If you guys know him.
We gotta zoom out.
Yeah.
This is too silly.
Strange for the amount of range in the 1 minute candles, 21 points. And we're not getting follow through.
Brain back on this move. AM yesterday. $358.
Come on, pop it
I
higher.
wanna
Let's
be
go
bullish,
to the previous
but
close
I
again.
think it's bearish. It's kind of weird.
Yeah, I'm pretty bearish until we pop open.
Yeah.
We open and at least inverse to 932 for value gap.
Well, I fired what I thought would be my last bullet. I made it a big one if I had gotten stopped out, but I didn't get stopped out, so...
Oh, you did 12 contracts. Look
No,
at
I
you.
was up to 24 actually, and I had a 7-point stop.
24 contract.
It's okay. It's a 300K account. I have a
Crazy.
I have a $1,000 budget on the day. I'm only down 129. That's what I'm saying. So I took my shot on that trade.
You are crazy.
Is that 24 micros?
Yeah.
It's a lot of commissions, no?
Yeah, I like trading micros though. It gives me the flexibility to get out in pieces on the pops.
Pop in pieces.
Got to be quick on the mouse button.
Yeah, I got a new mouse and the buttons are extremely sensitive. I often double click by accident.
I can't scale. My thumbs aren't fast enough. Yeah, maybe nobody knows. I trade from my phone for my entries.
Phone.
And it's a flip.
Yeah.
Your entries.
And it's a flip
Go
phone.
ahead and go make fun of me. Go ahead.
It's a flip phone.
Couple minutes.
Just for entries, it's fine.
It's terrible. I mean, because there is a bit of a delay, right? As soon as you see it and you want to do it, you can't do it. It takes a minute, like 10 seconds, 15. You lost time.
Bumped into previous close
Not
again.
acceptable.
Let's see if we can close above it. On the 1 minute.
But that's why I go for the longer plays, because they're easier to sit in, lower risk and lower size. All right.
Expect bullish order flow pretty well.
Yeah, I'm gonna go 1 micro long.
Like the SMT that took place, like example.
Come on, push it through the close. That's it. It's just that stupid
on the 1
level.
minute, we have that SMT at 950.
See how it's holding?
With the
I'm
ES
going long. Yep.
on the 1 minute at 950.
That's it. We're right there at
That
556.
A lot of the times, like I told you, from
cold.
945 to 1015, the SMT.
You're
that
cold?
form.
I'm freezing.
If we've swept liquidity and we're in a higher time frame point of interest at the 1 hour for value gap that we're in, a lot of the time that could be like the low of the morning, and then we'll go and distribute the other side with 10 o'clock. But NQ is just like looking weak.
It's looking really shitty.
Yeah,
If you can say that on stream.
Like ES just took out the high of the morning from 8:30 there, 9:30, and thus we're still in the gutters here with NQ.
I'm in at 54.
We're trying to break through.
For better, for worse. My stop. Where's my stop, David?
There we go. Come on. If
would
we
you
go and it
think,
holds, we'll get 10
22?
points.
I close below the 1006 for value gap.
Let's go
Tiny little fair value.
570. Let's see 570 at least.
I'm gonna
6
put
seconds,
it
and they're pushing it back under on the 1 minute
at
candle.
522. Yeah, I think that's fine.
You want to see a push through with speed.
Yeah.
The wicks that come back down are not pretty.
No, they're keeping it. We're not going red to green yet.
Yeah, but that's
30
the problem
points
taking
up.
along.
So
I'm taking along like that. We're
not this area.
Discount with NQ, but yes, we're in a complete premium.
Okay.
We're completely on par. Like we're completely out of sync. And if ES is leading and it just swept those highs and decides to come down, let's go push.
Hey, that reminds me, David, because I was asking Mike a couple days ago, when you see an SMT, which one do you consider the one that you want to play?
The SMTs that I use are the ones where you sweep liquidity
Hmm.
in a point of interest. So a lot of the times you'll have a sweep and you'll be in a fair value gap, higher time frame or lower time frame. Like if you sweep like the one at 950 was in a 1 hour fair value gap, right?
Right.
And we're in that time, like where I try to match time. The SMTs that I utilize the most for reversals will be from 9:45 to 10:15, 10:45 to 11:15. Those ones hold the most. Or if I'm looking for a continuation trade, then I'll look for the SMT to happen in a fair value gap to continue going up. Like if you have a big displacement leg, you come down a bit to retrace, you form a low. I'll send you some examples.
Yeah, but are you primarily just focused on trading only NQ?
Only NQ, I don't touch ES.
Yeah, okay, that's actually my question is like, if you see an SMT, one is weaker, one is stronger, one's already gotten further along than the other, so wouldn't you trade the lagger rather than the leader?
Yeah, a lot of people do that, but I don't see the point for that. NQ normally has the better.
I was just curious. That's what my question was a couple days ago to Mike, and I don't know enough about it. But
I used to be like that and trade both.
Yeah.
And then once you.
No, I don't. I only trade NQ also.
Yeah. I used to trade at ES as well. Like pretty much everybody who starts futures and listens to ICT and says, okay, well, if ES made the lower low and NQ didn't, and you want to go long, then NQ is the stronger one, you should trade NQ. But then you start to realize as you trade them both that ES is a lot more erratic than NQ. NQ will have cleaner moves, and even if NQ is a bit weaker, you'll still want to take NQ for the long. I don't touch ES anymore. ES a lot of the times you'll get some weird moves and a lot of equal highs, equal lows.
Yeah.
Like look at the highs we made right now at what time are these? 10:08, 10:07, 10:08, 10:09. 3 equal highs. On NQ, if we formed that, we'd be like, okay, we're definitely going back up. But for ES can definitely leave those and just keep them in place till whenever.
Yeah, it's because it's much lower priced and it's quarter point spreads, 0.25. It's a large spread, so
it's a lot harder to really read ES because you'll be like, okay, equal lows, equal lows, equal lows. We're definitely going for them, and we'll never read for them. But on the other hand, for NQ, if you have like 2 pairs of equal highs, the chances that those are not getting hit are almost slim to none.
Yeah, that's good stuff.
So I always stick to NQ.
Cool. Thanks, man.
You'll get an SMT on ES and say, wow, look, 2 sets of equal highs. We're definitely going for them. It'll just completely wreck you and keep those highs in place. Save yourself the trouble. Stick with NQ.
Question. Yeah. No, I know. No, I'm not. I was never thinking about switching. I just thought of the concept of SMT divergence and which one is lagging and which one's. And so you might not necessarily want to short NQ in a situation where it is already leading on an SMT versus lagging. That was my kind of thought process.
Yeah, honestly, you'll see it doesn't really matter if
you don't really. Yeah, so you don't really even.
Yeah, the SMT.
As long as it's an SMT, that's all you care about.
Yeah, It'll help you dictate. Okay, one took, one didn't. The low. Okay, well, doesn't matter.
And then
if
you're
it's stronger or
thinking,
weaker. I'm still thinking to push in the opposite direction.
you're still thinking trend though.
Yeah.
You don't.
Yeah.
You don't use the SMT as like, oh, that means it's going up because it's pointed up. It's not like that at all. No. Okay. Never talked to an ICT trader. This is crazy.
I see a lot of chop.
Yeah, I got stopped out of my stupid like long that I tried.
And when I mean a sweep, like, when you're sweeping liquidity, if you have a low and you sweep, the bodies have to close within the range of what you swept. For me, that's a sweep. If you see, for example, I can't share my screen.
Oh, if it just wicks?
I want the wick. I want, like, if you have a low, I want us to wick it, and for the body that swept, like, let's say we sweep a low. I don't want the candle that swept. I don't want the body to close below the wick of the thing that we swept, or the candle that we swept. I want us to close back in the range, because if we close back in the range, that shows the urgency to come back within the range. That shows the speed to reverse. It shows more. It's way more confident. There's way more confidence behind a sweep where you sweep a low and you close back in within the range. Then you close with the body and then start to reverse, and you'd be like, okay, we swept, but the bodies were closing below.
Yeah, exactly.
If you have that wick, that it'll like wick a low and then close back within the range. Those are much more telling, much more accurate sweeps. Those are the ones I use.
Like right now, would this be a potential sweep?
Yeah.
By
what
you're
example,
talking about?
The 10-12 candle. If we come and right below it and then wick back up, that's a way better sweep than if we were to come and then the body will close below the 10-12 candle and then we start to reverse. Like the wicks, like when you like take the low and then reverse with speed and you'll close back within the range, within that candle that you sweep, is much more confidence than any other thing.
I'm gonna go refresh my coffee. You hear me?
We're heading lower.
Mic is on though.
Back down.
Yeah, we still have the lows of the morning too, below that candle you were just talking about, or lower lows, right?
Well, the green stuff that's been coming out of my nose. Let's see.
Yeah.
Has to take those.
Are we gonna head for lower now? Or Q? Especially that we're respecting bearish order flow still, disrespecting bullish for value gaps. I got nothing though.
This is kind of...
Yeah, there's a lot of chop. When there's a lot of chop like this, I normally wait for the next macro, 10:45 to 11:15.
It's getting way easier for me in the last like 2 months, like seeing this and just and then telling myself, like, just don't click the button, just don't do it, just watch it, learn from it somehow. It's not what it's not normal.
It's important to be patient.
Yeah, it's hard. It's so hard to...
Yeah. It is hard.
It's hard when you're alone too. When you're doing it all by yourself, it's even harder, I think.
Yeah, I completely agree. Obviously, that's why I'm here, guys.
Patience is one of the hardest things.
Like when we both started ICT, me and my brother, well, he started before me, but then when I started too, there's trades I knew I wasn't supposed to take. And he'd come in my room and he'd see a limit order and be like, bro, what the fuck are you doing? And I would click X. He would save me sometimes. And then I was scared that he was going to pop his head back in my room. So the next one I didn't touch. It helps.
That's good stuff.
Because I know a lot of the trades that some ICT traders would potentially take and that are actually terrible to take. So as like one that was more advanced than my brother, I knew which ones he would potentially think of taking. So every time I think he would take one, I'd pop my head in his room and I'd see the limit order there just resting.
That is hilarious.
I see you.
I see you. You're not gonna dress like me today again, are you? Just kidding.
Oh, there's a road drop.
Oh yeah.
We get some sort of SMT with ES and Q.
I forget what old man trader said that if you find yourself
Thank
like
you,
in
Spud.
confusion, just like literally walk like 20 feet as far back as you can in the room and then look at your screen again. Like wake yourself up. Like, what are you doing right now? Zoom out. Oh,
It's me, it's me, it's me, it's
trading.
Renko's. I have to go short. I have to take each trade. No choice. Getting killed on it though today. It's not doing
Is
good.
that that's based on Mike's program?
Seven.
Or no?
No. This is just like a 7-point Renko chart with
okay.
with the price channel and stuff. And it's too bad I missed yesterday because my grandmother slept here yesterday too. So I slept at my girlfriend's house, but I didn't have access to the Renko bars, and it had a killer day, 224 points. It's always the days you miss.
It is. It really tests your patience.
Yeah.
Okay, what's going on here? Oh, SMT for me.
I got burned again.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a good one.
Burn, baby, burn.
Chopped liver.
Yeah.
Let's go take the London highs just for fun. Come on. It'll be a lot of fun. What is
The
that?
London eyes are really high up.
It's pretty nice. 695 sounds good.
Alright, SMT with NQ and ES right now.
But I forgot. FOMC, 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 FOMC.
Now we got SMT.
Yeah, I'm getting burned.
We swiped well.
I was close to passing
Do you
too.
have the 30-second chart?
Yeah, I have it too.
You're still there.
What I'm watching is if we come down and close really fast, the
10-19?
10, 18, 30.
10-18, sorry. I'm a minute ahead of you.
But we need to come down quick. Like, I don't want to see reactions like that. It could still continue up. And the S&T has to hold. I don't want this high taken on NQ. Yeah, scratch off the idea.
Okay, I'm back in the saddle. Dr. Johnny Fever is back at WKRP in Cincinnati. Does anybody remember that?
Oh man, talk about dating yourself.
Yeah. I know my kids won't know it, that's for sure.
Not that I know what you even said,
Of
but
course
I'm just
not.
saying it just sounds old.
No, really? You don't know WKRP in Cincinnati?
Nah, I can't say that I do, but
Yes.
Yeah, which my dad's getting to the age where he farts and dust comes
Be quiet, that's not true.
let's go.
That's
My mom
not
always says, "Why is
even
there so
true.
much dust in the house."
That's a talent. That's a talent. You get paid for that if you.
Hey, no one's allowed to laugh when they pick on me.
It is.
Yeah, shit, I missed a good trade. I traded on the wrong account. I took it on Sim. I wanted to take it on my Apex account. Oh well. I didn't even get it.
You guys do realize that our conversation is literally saving my life from trading right now. Just like,
You know
this
what?
is what you have to do on FOMC day. Look at the chart. Look at the 1 minute chart.
Oh my god, yeah.
Fragmented, terrible.
Yeah.
Ugh. You could draw a range on it. Probably be 50 points, probably.
Especially when you compress the chart, you
who
really
wants to play this?
you really see it.
Who's doing it? We are. I tried.
I'm really surprised though.
I tried only once though, and I was like, no, 20-point stop, 1 micro. I lost $40. Damn.
Daily volume at 10:30, 600,000.
But I lost it on a PA. You should not be trading a PA.
Just to keep in mind, gold, the February and the April contracts have about equal volume, so probably want to roll over tomorrow. I'm gonna check it out.
I'm being tested here. I kind of want to take the inverse for value gap at 10:18:30, but I'm gonna avoid it. I don't like these conditions.
Oh, you're gonna go short?
No, I'm gonna avoid it. I don't want to risk it, even though it looks nice.
You were thinking short, yeah.
Of course.
Of course.
It's gonna tank. No, of course, I'm not gonna take it because of the chop, and it'll end up tanking below.
No, I was asking. Yeah, but I was wondering if you were looking at the short right there.
There, I'd be break even, and my profit target would have to be a 1-to-1. That's all the way down till 487.
Spud, thanks for liking and subbing. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Hey, you're not Spud.
Smart ass.
Buddy boy. That fair value gap actually inversed and just tanked from there.
Did you guys ever pattern trade? This is like an H pattern right here.
No, never.
None of that.
I took a class about it in school, but
it's so good if you don't know any of those animal patterns. It really is. You have to deprogram from that crap because you always are like looking, oh, it looks like it's a head and shoulders now. Now it's an inverse head and shoulders. I think that means I should go long.
Wow, it actually went right to target.
Did it really?
Yeah.
No, we're taking the lows from 940, 950.
I was really hoping, honestly, it wouldn't even work.
And actually, it's the complete session
really
lows.
It wouldn't work because of all the chop, and I tell myself, nice, I saved myself. 0 drawdown, just straight TP.
Does 462 still count as my target from earlier? I kind of forgot. It's still there. It's the 4-hour fair value. Yeah.
Let's see if they run it back up now. I'll take a small one lot.
Like you see what chip, how we came, we swept the 950 1-minute low.
Yeah.
And we closed back within the range. Those are sweeps that I like to see. But when you get like body closures below lows, those I don't
but right
as much.
Yeah, so as of now, it's invalidated, right?
Yeah, if there's a body close below it, then I don't like it as much. I'll be like, it's not nice. But once if you wick back up within the range and then you continue up, like the bodies are closing within the range, and for me, it still could be a reversal. Especially that we have an SMT with ES still.
I like the trade even more. I added.
So crazy.
And I'm going to add again if we can get it. Long, I'm long.
Yeah, at a low.
Yeah, isn't that where you want to go long? No, why am I longing?
I need a lot more confirmation than just a sweep.
Yeah, no, I need less.
Do you want to go short at the top?
I need less confirmation.
Do you want to go short at the top?
Do you want to go short at the top?
At the bottom? I mean, it's the same thing.
No, it's like David said, we're not able to close. They're bringing it back up over those lows. We're closing above them, so that gave me the part of the reason to take the trade.
We just closed below it.
And if we can get a close at like 01, 02, I'm going to add to this trade. And okay, there I add now. Come on, give me my fill. And now I'm gonna go for 510 as my take profit on the 4 lot. I'm even gonna put it in.
It's scary long for me.
Yeah.
You should hold it. You should get the trophy today. Go for 564.
Go for the previous. Go for
564.
yesterday's close 560. Yeah. Nah.
Keep moving your stop up. Don't limit your profits.
Yeah. If you want to win like a winner, I would definitely hold till yesterday's close.
Okay. Oh, go away. I moved it. Let me adjust. Hold on. Let me close
You
that.
have a stop in place.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
Let me get a 2 lot and just lock in a little bit of $1.50 there.
2 lot. Let it move a little. 534. 534. Easy.
I'm trading 2 micros on a 300K account. How's that, huh?
Well, then just
How's
don't
that for
close
conservative?
anything. Just hold it.
Well, it's
I'm conservative. I'm conservative.
300K account, like $100.
Oh, not too micro. He's on micros.
I'm on micros.
Oh, you're on micros. You're not
Yeah.
on minis.
Oh, micros.
Telling you, it's so useless.
Just close the position. Take your fart juice.
No, I'm not.
Brutal commentary.
I'm not having a bad day.
On Futures floor. David's riffing Mike.
Fart juice is not brutal. It gets much worse than that.
It gets worse. It does.
I'd rather take one of those dust farts to my face than trade 2 micros on a 300K account.
Okay, I'll come upstairs. I can fill that order.
Oh, guys, too much fun. That's
I-
order
failed.
Order filled. Yeah, I'm getting order filled. Okay, I'm living on the edge. I added a 1 lot.
Don't add.
No, I have a
add.
stop coming up very close. Very close. 4 points away from my stop.
I almost never add. Sometimes I do add. But
Oh
I
shit.
almost never add.
I should be short. Sorry guys. I'm flipping.
Oh, he's
Why?
flipping.
I'm changing teams. I went to short.
Now it's gonna go up.
He's going both
Yo,
ways.
don't say that, bro. I need one winning trade of today, so I don't finish down in the dirt.
Don't say that.
My God, bro. I'm
No.
taking every goddamn loser on the Rankos. It's horrible. Look at this. It's gonna be another loser.
Our main system is short, so let's go. Come back down. Let's go.
Oh, so much chop.
Call in
I
the
feel
bin.
like
Seriously.
we're gonna get something here. Something is gonna happen.
Something in the air.
Yeah,
Well,
where's
we're
Collins when you
close
need
to
him?
initial balance low, so people are probably thinking it's gonna trade there, and they're gonna get punished. So we're gonna go higher.
Yeah, say that when I'm short.
It doesn't matter. It's not that whether you're short or not. I see it all the time.
My mom came home and smelled the dust and said, "Oh my God, I didn't know dust could have a smell like this."
Look, gold did the same thing.
My dad's
It's
pulling
fine,
back
whatever.
his pants.
Up at the initial balance high, and we
thank
came
you.
down.
I'm looking. I care.
Well, I read once in the Bible that we're all butt dust, so it's kind of similar,
For
right?
real?
We're
We're butt dust,
Where
We're
does it
stardust.
say that?
and it just says we're all but dust.
Oh, all but dust.
Oh, I heard butt dust.
Yeah.
Yes, he just pronounced
I
it.
did a little thing there with the word.
Oh, okay.
We're
You
butt dust.
sneaky boy. You fooled me.
It's not funny. You are not the funny. Yeah, it makes me want to go long right here, but do you really want to do that? It's been a down day so far, right?
Yeah, I don't really have anything.
And FOMC, gotta keep. If anything, just for myself, I have to keep saying FOMC because
I really think we're gonna get some up action, it's gonna be fast.
Like that 1 a.m. candle. That was nuts.
What, Chip? You have the 3 minute?
3 minute, yeah.
Oh yeah.
You see example, like you look at the 3 minute, we've swept the 948 low candle, the 3 minute candle. And you see we're closing back within the range, right?
Which 948?
948. That's the low
Oh yeah.
that you have there, and we swept it. Let's say example 1024 and 1027.
Yeah.
And we closed back within the range. So that's nice to see on the 3 minute. So what a lot of ICT traders will do is go long if we inverse the fair value gap at 1024. Looking at that, and you have an SMT with ES. So you have the SMT. You're in a 1 hour fair value gap.
Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, they all align. Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't like taking trades on 3 minute and stuff. Your stop is huge.
That's cool. I've never aligned those two ideas. That's
The risk like 750, like it's like 8 micros. Like screw that for me.
yeah.
But I can see like some ICT traders taking it if you inverse it, especially if it inverses with speed.
Yeah. 3 minute. 3 minute chart doesn't make it look any better than the 1 minute chart, really. It's still like in this funky range, and yeah, we made a new low, right? But it's still in the funky range. Like
I'll only be looking for like nice longs and be way more confident in longs if we have a 5 minute closure above 1020.
Okay.
Above those down close candles that swept. They call that in the ICT world a change in the state of delivery.
Yeah, I've heard about that. Very sneaky.
They're all a bunch of like confluences. Your goal is just to try to take a trade, and you have a bunch of confluences behind you. Like a CISD, you're inversing a fair value gap. You have a soup. You have you're delivering off a fair value gap. You balance the range. You know, you're utilizing time. You have low resistance liquidity to run or equal highs. Like the more confluences you can stack up behind a trade, the more chances you have of it working out behind you. Like if you're taking a trade and you're like, oh, S&P and there's an inverse, but you didn't rebalance the range, you didn't sweep, you don't have equal highs, equal lows, or low resistance liquidity to run. You're like, you're taking a short and you're in a complete like discount. Like, you know, if you only have like 2 confluences and everything else is stacking up against you, then you know to avoid.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm trying to get at least like 4 confluences minimum. Anything
Yeah.
less is like way better to avoid.
Paying attention to the clock, although it sounds really stupid to most people, but when you do study ICT stuff and learn about what the clock really means, and you can still forget to think about the clock. You can get stuck in an idea or just the trade. Like I find myself forgetting about time, and I miss a move because I'm like, oh damn it, like, you know.
Yeah, you should search up time cycles by Zusi.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, you told me about that. That's cool.
It's a nice video. He utilizes like 90-minute cycles, and they work very well for me.
Well, that's really cool that he's doing that. I like 30-minute cycles personally.
Yeah, exactly. Well, he utilizes the 90 minutes for like liquidity levels, but in the 90-minute cycle, there's 3 30-minute cycles, and they're also outlined as well.
Yeah, cool. I'll check it out for sure.
I didn't know Dr. Seuss trades.
It's not Dr. Seuss, bro. It's Zusi.
Zusi.
Yeah, my dad reminds me of the movie Bad Grandpa.
What?
You ever watch that movie?
Yeah, like it's been a while. I don't really remember it.
I think that's the one with like Zac Efron and.
David's forgetting who cooks supper here in the house and who's gonna go on strike.
I guess it's the $10 KFC bundle today.
Retaliation station from the MC. Right.
Well, what is this price action?
What is it?
Terrible.
I mean, at least we're being entertained with ourselves, because otherwise I would be murdering my account if I would try to, if I was all by myself, like what Alex was saying. It's so true. If you're all by yourself, just want to FAFO all the time.
Where is
Just
that?
wanna-
I'm here crying because I'm in a trade.
Oh shit.
I'm here crying.
Don't talk, he's gonna get pissed.
I need a.
We need it now. We need it now.
I'll be back. I'm
Okay.
gonna get water.
Okay.
It looks like a cell. Yeah, where's the kitty cat?
Yeah, but we just bounced off that level there. The lows David was talking about, 940, 950. We weren't able to close, but I can't say we weren't able. We closed below for one candle, and then we went right back up. Let's see if we can get a good close below it. In the next round. You gotta say it louder.
What a waste of a trade.
I don't really got nothing here. Nothing I like. Go get some water. I'll be back.
David's gonna miss
Bit by side there.
100-point
Not worth it.
pull. He's gonna miss my 100-point trade. Should I? Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Ah.
Black cat. No black cats in my path here. Okay. I'm only doing one micro. Okay, so relax. Entries 506.75. And my stop.
Let's take the rest of it. Hold on.
Just put the stop. Put the stop at. Put my stop at 493. I'm gonna just kind of go for it here.
Oh, you went long?
Yep.
I took a short.
Cool. We can both be right. Hopefully.
I hope so. I hope I'm right first, though.
I hope you only scalp like 2 points and get out so I can stay alive.
Okay, I'm out.
Okay, there we go.
That was good enough for me. It was 5 points.
And 493 is gonna get a hit. Is it? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Alright. I took 2 trades today so far. Both losers. Both the first one was a $20 loss.
Not a good day for me
$40
either.
loss. This one was a 10-point loser, so 20.
Well, no
I
trader.
lost $60 today. Thanks, Mike.
No trader of the day award for you.
No, definitely not.
Not today.
Only losing $60 is like pretty good, actually. On a day like today, you can totally wreck yourself.
Okay, we just broke lower again. What did we do last time? How many points did we do?
Oh, you should have held your short.
Yeah.
One of us could have
94,
been really right.
14
instead of
points.
just-
So let's see if we reverse around right here at 66.
Oh, it hit the 462.
Yeah, it did.
We're there. Now what?
No, I don't know.
Bounce? No bounce. It's a 4-hour fair value gap. 462.
No.
Who cares?
Oh, no, boy.
This is Dumpsy Doolittle, I think.
Yeah, what our eyes are being. We can just be like this until the afternoon, and then FOMC will just pop up and take everything out.
That's true. We still have a lot of time before FOMC. It can screw around for a bit here. Explore. Or not.
I'm itching.
Ugh, jeez. So I'm down like $62. 2 trades, 1 micro each time. Playing it safe. Two trades is better than 15 trades. I can tell you that much.
Yes, sir.
I don't know anyone that takes 15 trades.
You don't?
No.
Oh man, you should get out more. There's a lot of people taking trades. 15.
Are you kidding? My trade count's probably in the 20s already.
That's hard for me to track. I looked into my Apex the other day and it said like 43 trades or 43 orders, but that doesn't mean that you traded 43 times. It means
Oh, no. It's the fills. Because you get multiple fills.
Yeah, if you're doing 5 micros and that's 1 order,
Yep.
but it counts it as 5.
Well, not 5, but
one.
it depends on how the fills went. You could get like a 2 lot, a 2 lot, and a 1 lot. They'll count it as 3. Yeah, no, I know that.
Yeah, so when I saw it, I was like, whoa, 43 trades yesterday. And then I was like, wait a minute. All of those were like 5 or 10.
I took a little bit out on that short.
King David's back.
Oh, shit. He kinged himself.
Dave, you took any trades today?
David?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you I've only partial for 470.
Okay, partial is good.
Yeah,
Like
you,
the 1,000, but I was going for the 1,000.
You got the banger.
One mini. I could have taken it for a 1-for-1, but I was really hoping it would have been the reversal, and I could have got like a $3,000 day from that one.
Wow, nice. And did you take
you
any?
had two minis, no?
Yeah, and then I partialed.
Yeah.
Partialed at a 1-to-1.
Yeah.
The 464 or whatever.
I can't get away from the negative 1,000.
But then it stopped me out break even for the other one.
And did you take any trades today?
Oh, order,
Yeah.
order, failed.
You're gonna regret it, sir.
Alex,
Yeah.
There's no need for it either.
I don't know why you're itching on your button.
I don't know why you either.
Did we lose the chat? What's going on with the chat?
I hope you went long at least.
He did, and I'm going to.
Alex,
One day you wake up, you do stupidity, and then you realize there's no point to ever do it again.
He's Alex M. Thank you.
Stops at
sir.
break even.
And then you say, you know what? There's no point in doing it. It sets me back at 0.
That usually sounds like everybody's wedding day.
Wait, why is my okay, no, I have a stop. No, nothing. I want to make sure I have a stop.
This is so ugly to try to long off of. Not gonna. That's,
Don't worry, wood chip. I'm gonna find us something.
that's super nasty right there. I don't like that at all. You got the fair value ups on either side of the middle upwick.
I'm gonna find us something in the air.
Okay.
Take it. You got
I
a gift.
feel it in the air tonight.
And then close it up for FOMC day. That's good. And then you come,
I was down 1.2K, now I'm down 300. Ooh.
there you go. And you come back tomorrow, you make 1.2K, and you're all happy again.
Or you lose another 1.2 and you're not.
Man, no.
Well, this trade, I didn't follow my rules, but everything before I followed, they were just all losers.
Yeah, this one here though, you got out. I think.
Got
Well,
ass
early.
Don't follow your
I'm sitting here staring at this stupid
Who
trade.
tells you to follow your rules? Who's the idiot that said follow your rules?
I'm taking it. I don't care anymore.
Alright, I'll be back.
Well, it hit the 462 exactly. The bodies didn't even close below
I'll be
it.
back.
Okay,
What am I
Alex is
supposed to do?
Alex is
It's a
going to make a
4 hour
breakfast.
4 hour fair value gap. I have to take it.
I don't know how to
That's
salty
bullshit.
flavor.
Why'd you unplug my lights?
or in the time max.
There's just so many things on my
My
PC. I'm gonna
patience
give you a
is
box and you're gonna plug it into the wall.
Yeah. No, we'll figure something out.
It's like 19 wires
I
sucking
built
supply out of my
pretty good
PC.
patience
Got in
overall.
for that long.
Yeah, I
Good,
know.
good job. 22
Like, I
trades.
could go like 2-3 days without one trade, because I know that day will come where I'll have like 3 in the same day.
Up 360. What are you trading? Micros, minis? One
I don't
mini?
know that
I'm guessing
yet.
one
I
mini.
don't know that
22.
day yet. That's really awesome though.
Yeah, bro, it took a while to build though.
Yeah, I'm getting back on the daily trade count.
I'm telling you, patience is the hardest thing to build in trading and in life. Especially with Micah.
Micros, 10 contracts.
Yeah, try having a kid.
My dad has 3 of them.
I know. You got to get one of your own.
Not anymore after all the insults. I only have 2.
Alex is gonna have a kid soon.
Man, no.
Get.
So really,
Alex is gonna trade with a kid on his lap, throwing up on his thing. Sail.
Not all kids throw up a lot. I was lucky. My daughter, she hardly ever had any spit up. You know, like babies, like you burp them and they spit up, and you have to burp off. She never she's just always hungry. She's everything she ate stayed in her.
no, we didn't have that luck with the boys, but it was our fault. We were feeding them. The formula was way too hot.
gauche, c'est chaud, à droite, c'est froid. Donc, quand tu es dans la douche et tu regardes le robinet, à gauche, c'est chaud.
For any of you guys who didn't understand what he said, that was in Pig Latin.
It was French.
Yeah, it
That was
was.
the magical language of French. The language of love.
It is the language of love.
No, it's not. Spanish is.
That's why I've never found it.
Spanish is the language of love.
The land of the free.
Actually, I think people say Italian is.
Oh. French and Spanish, I think, are the 2 nicest languages. But not the Quebecer French, like the French from like Paris.
Oui, oui. Oui, oui.
French sounds like everything you say is just an insult.
I'm just like not invested in this trade. I'm up 8 points. It's like $16 on micro.
Well, I'm long at 12 with a stop down at 05, 7 points, and I'm trying for 14. Or actually more than that. I want to get out of 21, 530. Russian is the language of love. Okay, I agree.
Russian.
What the hell?
Russian's a hard language, though. A lot of Starovsky.
A lot of Z's and Y's and stuff.
And by the way, my mom was Russian. Not joking. That's an actual fact.
What Chip will never know if you're joking or not.
No, it's an actual fact.
I'm just listening. It's a
Mom was
history-
from Russia.
history lesson here.
But where in Russia?
I have no idea. You'd have to ask her.
Yeah.
Yeah. possible.
All right, let's go.
Impossible. Her last name was. I'm not saying it on stream.
Let's crush it.
No.
It was
Urinsky.
21,600. Let's go.
Well, I took partials as we rode up, but we got up to the
That's right.
21,530. So my 7-point risk, 18-point TP, played out on that trade.
Open. David's bread and butter.
Okay.
Trade open.
Now I'm stocking my second trade of the day. I'm still down $101 on my Apex account.
Oh, that's a big S&P, right? It's the bitter. Yeah, it is. Holy moly.
What does it mean?
Just with the highs from 1042, and Q completely ran through them, but ES is still like under them by a lot. It's not terrible. It just could mean that we'll have some downturn before continuing up, and ES left those lows from 940.
Where's my strategy?
1037, relatively equal. So that could be a target to go short. I don't have anything specific with sweeps and S&T, so it's sitting on my hands.
I'm gonna close this. I made 19 bucks. I'm happy. I'm not going long.
I'm waiting patiently. Hopefully I catch something nice I want to add. And worst case, if I take a full loss, I will be down like $200-300, so no big deal.
Oh, you're going short?
Oh no, I don't have anything.
I thought you were taking that inverted.
No.
I like the IFEG off the bounce off the lows we just did. Why? Because it was a entire session lows, and we just swept the previous lows at 1029 by about 15-16 points, which is usually what a sweep is. It's kind of like a measured move. I was expecting it in the I think in the 66 area, the bounce.
We have to be going for some highs now. We're just leaving all morning. Shorts have been winning. I'm hoping ES sweeps those lows and closes back in the range, and then Q doesn't. So we have the SMT. We're still in the 1 hour for value gap. We're in the time macro. That's at least 3 confluences to look for along, and then I'll have to look for a nice inverse or something. Maybe we get something, maybe we don't. I really like the trade I took this morning. I was really hoping it would have just continued to pop. It was a clean one.
The short you looked at also was great. It's too bad.
Yeah, but I was looking at all the chop, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna take it. It's a nice trade. I'm gonna take it. It'll burn me in the chop, but it actually just completely tanked. Worked perfectly.
I wasn't paying attention, but I would have taken it.
We had everything too. Everything was pretty in line.
I would have taken it with a micro.
One micro is all you need.
Micro. Is Alex still here?
He is.
Alex, you're here. You're here, boy.
I'm updating my game. It's 24 goddamn gigs. My computer's gonna run out of space.
You're so crazy. I don't got much.
Will you check the space, Mike? Oh my god. I need to buy more space.
No, really?
I have 30 gigs left.
Jesus Christ. Well, just clean shit out.
We already did clean everything.
Delete Warzone, bro. Warzone
Yeah,
is
you're
30
right.
gigs. Who plays Warzone? You play with Jacob during the day?
How do I delete that part? I have to do it in game.
Sorry, guys. I was just doing a little bit of coding there. I'm back. Looking to take a long.
11
Yeah.
o'clock now. It's 11 a.m.
Yeah, I'm looking to take the 11 o'clock long.
I want 11 to go down this week. Then we can get them going.
I'm looking to take the 11 o'clock short.
Thought you just said long.
Changed my mind.
He's so crazy.
That was fast.
Actually, Counter-Strike just indicated. I closed Counter-Strike down, but it just flashed short. Doesn't mean doesn't mean anything because it needs a bearish candle and it doesn't have one yet.
I took Mike's long at $4.99.
I'm not gonna take either. I wanted to go long, but Counter-Strike's so short. I closed it down way too early today, Counter-Strike.
The UFC might be headed to Montreal, Canada, May 10th.
A big deal, seriously?
What? I want to go see blood flying everywhere.
It's fake.
Yeah, the UFC is fake.
It's like wrestling.
Yeah.
And I don't think the UFC's fake.
I was gonna say, why you sound like an idiot.
You were gonna say that live?
UFC is
He
fake.
just said it live.
And the
What do you
sky.
No, he was going to say it. He didn't say
You
it.
have the balls to say that lies, Mike. You have to have the balls to take the heat.
He was going to say it. He didn't say it. There's a big difference. Okay. Look inside myself, check. I'm starting to get frustrated and running out of patience, which means I'm gonna potentially do something stupid.
I
I'm
how
long
you say
still.
that, but then you'll still like do something stupid. That's crazy.
No, I'm closing my trade here. Now I'm gonna just sit on my hands.
I'm looking
Go
at the
long.
bank in front of me.
Go long, Mike.
I'm looking at the bank in front of me. I'm thinking of doing really something stupid and then actually going to do it.
I'm self-aware. That's all. And I'm self-aware early, and I see what's
You know what?
happening.
That's an old lady with a nice purse. I'm thinking of doing something really stupid and then actually going to do it are two different things.
Okay, exactly. That's why I'm not gonna do it.
Okay, I'm gonna hold
I'm
this.
sitting on my hands.
Hold, what chip? You might get a blast off out of nowhere.
I know. I got 512 entry. Enjoy it while it lasts.
Who knows?
Where's my
I
stop?
don't know.
Oh god, that stop is no good. 477 stop. That's way too far out.
What are you long at?
Got anything?
I'm long at 12. 512.
Okay, 22. Thanks for
But
showing
I
up.
think
I
you
hope
can
I see
ladder
you
this
again
up.
tomorrow.
If
I
it gets
appreciate it.
past if it gets past 534, you can start creeping it.
See ya. See you tomorrow.
Oh,
Oh,
is that a sell?
it is. Sparky's announcing a sell.
That's crazy. Right when we're
Could
chip
be.
went long.
Yeah.
Damn it.
No. Hopefully you break the cat curse.
It's gotta go now, right? I mean, come on. Oh man, it tapped the edge of that.
Cat curse.
I haven't chosen my stop yet. 503, I guess, is my stop. I'm gonna put something in case of death candle. All right.
Mais on dit des serviettes, un lit de tiroir. Ça devrait être là, là. You have a stop in what chip?
Yeah, 503.
Well, I saw my friend yesterday went to the gym in a span of 2 weeks. So he lost his girlfriend last week.
Yeah, you said the story already on yesterday. I had to delete it because
Oh,
of.
yeah? No, he lost his girlfriend last week. And then yesterday he lost his job. And then after the gym, we went to Wendy's.
He lost his wallet.
To our house. No, we went to Wendy's.
Wait, he might not have a Wendy's. Wendy's is like a fast food place.
Oh, what chip? You ever heard of a Wendy's?
Yeah, they have Wendy's in the U.S.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So we went to Wendy's. Wait, hold on, your stop got hit.
Yeah, just got hit.
Okay, so you can hear the story. So went to Wendy's. I filled up a medium cherry Coke, but they don't have the lids for the medium cups. I went to unwrap my burger and tapped the cup by accident, and the entire cup all over his shirt and pants, like he was in a swimming pool of cherry Coke. All in one day, all in like the span of a week.
Oh man.
Poor kid.
It's all a memory now.
There was so much cherry, it was filled to the rim. I just filled it. On his gray sweatpants. Crazy.
Fucker.
Oh, there's an SMT. What the SNQ? Let's see if it at least came back into the range. This is what you want. If I see this 30-second candle close the fair value gap at 11:05, I will take a long. I want this candle to close it. And no, it doesn't. Let's monitor it though. Let's see what happens here. What do we have? We're in time macro, we swept, we're still in the 1 hour fair value gap. You have an S&T with a yes. I don't see speed here. I don't see displacement with speed closing this fair value gap.
FOMC.
Yeah, FOMC morning, huh?
Brutal.
Okay. Now we got a higher time frame sweep. NQ swept that low.
ES took the low.
What is going on? We have to go up. Come on, look at all the highs stacked on yes. Still starting from 10 o'clock, all the highs are just left there. All the stop orders are there. We have to want to grab them.
Mm.
Oof, the 30-second inverse at 11:07 is making my fingers tickle.
Maybe you should act on it.
It's making my fingers tickle. Didn't close yet. Didn't close yet.
This is shit.
Oh, my computer's really slow. Oh, didn't close, so I got nothing. I got nothing, boy. Oh.
I got another show for you guys. Anybody remember the Partridge Family?
I didn't watch it. I know about it.
The Brady Bunch,
Brady Bunch. Yeah, I saw some.
Gilligan's Island. That
Yeah,
was a
yeah.
classic.
That
That's from the old days. That's from either the 70s or the 80s. I don't remember.
Oh. If this 30-second candle closes above the 11:07:30, I will take a long. Move my stop to break even once we get 11:06. I really want to see this candle close. It'll give me much more confidence to take the trade.
It's weird.
5 seconds. 3, 2, no, baby girl. Got another SMT. Oh, what is going on? SMT after SMT.
What were you looking for in the 32nd to close the?
To close the 11:07:30 value gap.
Yeah, that's it.
Because 11:11 swept and caused an SMT. But for now, it's bearish order flow being respected. Oh. Thing is, those highs on ES look too clean not to go take.
Yeah, you just said though you discount those.
And the fact that
22
we're-
trades is saying goodbye.
Oh, that was a long time ago.
And the fact that we're in the time macro too.
Oh, you saw that already? It was like 9 minutes ago.
11:03. Yeah, I spoke to him. It said
Oh, okay.
I told him see you tomorrow.
Didn't close.
Oh, you hit 20 subscribers. It's time for a giveaway.
Soon.
One of your kids always.
I wonder who will win.
Your card.
Okay, I think I'll take this.
I wonder who will win.
I got in, boys. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
All right, good luck. Yeah.
My stop to break even will be moved at 11:06. I could get that high. Hoping the SMT holds at 11:10.
Remember, everyone, do not copy our trades. We're just trading to have fun.
Don't screw me quickly. Take your time with me.
Be gentle.
Gentle. Let's see if it closes that fair value gap though that I went quickly. I think I'll get out though. I don't want to see more jitter jatter back and forth.
Damn.
That's what I don't like to see. Come on, I need this candle to push up. really want to see a nice bullish candle here. Come on. No, that is horrible to see.
Yeah, they're just trying to shake you out.
Bearish candle there. Yeah, if it closes, honestly, I'll get out. Closes the fair value gap again. Even if it ends up working after that, doesn't matter. Protect my buttocks. I'm gonna move this here. Come on, reverse, man. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna get stopped. 15 seconds here. And I'm out.
Yeah, me too.
And I'm out. What's that noise?
Alex is playing.
I'm not playing actually yet.
Machine gun. How can you deal with that? It's just too.
It's a lot of noise.
Well, it's not noise.
No, it's noise pollution. There's a difference.
Ask Alex what time he wants to make breakfast.
Every time you want, I'm not playing. I just updated my game.
Oh, the update's done already?
Yeah.
That was quick. That was speedy. Alright, not too big of a loss though for the day, 170. Very controlled. Really needed to see speed there. I didn't see it. Especially that we had the SMT too. FOMC morning. It's a nice trade too. We had a breaker, SMT, delivery off for value gap.
Okay, just for the record, I'm not farting. That's the game. Hold on, I'll disconnect it. I gotta go here. I gotta go to audio.
Hey David, wait till you try the new AR, it's broken.
Yeah, Thomas told me that. Yeah, boy, Thomas. Your boy, Thomas.
That's my chihuahua. My chihuahua. Today's a good day for a pizza.
Yes.
Really?
I'm not gonna say no.
Should go to Pizza Hut, get something.
Dave, is that where Carlos mom got his pizza yesterday?
Where? Pizza Hut?
Yeah.
No, it was like some weird box, it looked like.
I think it was Pizza Hut, bro.
I don't know, it had like the word New York on it or something.
Mm.
How do you think other streamers did today?
I don't know. It's a pretty tough day.
The big five.
It was a tough day to make money.
Patrick Whelan. I never look at Patrick Whelan's stuff anymore. Let's see. Go snoop around.
He's tough to gauge to see how he does.
Who?
Patrick, he doesn't show everything. I don't know if it's changed, but
Yeah. It doesn't. Yeah, he doesn't.
like he has charts and he's in a trade and it doesn't show that he's in a trade, and then when it's a winner, he says he puts it up and you see, okay, I'm taking profit. I don't like that. I mean, I have trades also that I take off screen, but I don't pop them up when they're going green. I just leave them. That's just stuff I'm doing on the side, and I don't discuss it. Nothing.
Nutty Bar copy traded 5 accounts and ended negative 187 on each one.
Okay.
So total of 938 loss total for the day.
I don't see any of the ICT people really posted anything. So,
Yeah, they're not gonna stream today probably. But maybe Brian Stonk will be on for FOMC.
Oh, I'm sure he will.
But he won't trade for like 3 hours.
Mm.
He's got some really amazing patience.
No, 2:45 is a good time to start trading on those days. I don't know what this line is.
Well, he does that every day. He just likes the slower action.
You gotta be kidding me.
What happened? What's happening, man?
I'm still getting put through the buzzsaw.
so stop. Come back tomorrow.
Mm.
Yeah, I just closed up.
I go up, I go down, I go up, I go down, I go up, I go down.
It's too bad I wasn't here yesterday. I would have been like
Oh, you would have cleaned
an
up.
edge off passing my account.
Yeah.
Daniel Inskeep is up 1,500 on one account, on a 50K account.
Daniel Inskeep?
Inskeep.
He's Russian.
Inskeep. He uses, he does trend lines and he has some stuff on his chart, you know, some fun stuff. Volume profile and he's got 301,000 subscribers.
That's a lot.
301, yeah, that's a lot. It's up there with PW. Yeah, it's a lot. I don't know how he has so many. There's 298 people watching right now.
298 people watching and he has 300,000 subscribers?
Yeah, seems
That's
kind of
odd.
off, right? Yeah. Oh no.
Well, don't forget, a
Maybe
lot of
he
people
created
follow
a
up
bunch of
engagement, man.
Gmail accounts.
Hard.
Oh, David's long. It's right here. Let's go.
David Gerlong?
Pump it.
No, I don't know. David's gone. I think
Right here.
maybe he just heard the
I'm just saying that
The dog barking.
This was his price point where different scenario, but it's the same price point he went long from. Okay. 508 long. Okay. Somebody's got to try it, right?
Mm.
We've each taken our turns, so it's my turn. I have to do it tight. 481. That seems too far away. I don't know. It's no good. This is not a good trade. I'll give it 10 points. Stop is 490. It's a little more than 10 points, but
What's the call for rates today? To lower the rates? Anybody know what the prediction is? See a nice big bullish move off that?
No idea.
I don't know any of the predictions. I imagine they'll just keep them the same, and it'll be kind of boring. There is a way to look up the prediction.
Yeah, I have a website.
Wise,
I just gotta find it.
it would only be like 0.25% lower or higher.
Yeah.
I don't even know which way they would go, to be honest. Wow. See if I can survive. Stops at 490. This is hard because I don't think you're really going to get a large move. And I'm trying to play conservative with small size, so I'm really not going to get much bang for my buck. But if you try to go larger size, it's so choppy that you're going to get destroyed at the same time.
Yeah, no, I agree.
You can't really do anything. That's what's frustrating.
It's not as bad as it was last month with the FOMC, though. Last month was really killer. It was a real buzzsaw, just up, down, up, down, up, down in the exact same sideways range. I don't know if you remember it, but I do.
I think so, yeah.
I was scarred by that day.
Okay, here it is. You gonna come get it? Come get me. Come get me, market. 490.
Let's see. What 5? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That is so funny.
Look, it goes right to it. All right, stop me out.
Chart background.
This is also hard because it's not just sideways, but it's slanting downward.
Yeah.
And everything in everyone's mind is, like David was saying, like it's got to take the liquidity at the highs of the open, you would think by now, but at least when it's chop and it's true sideways, you can play the range a little bit. But this is
I'm going to put in a magic trend line.
do it. Put one that makes it go up and then I'll go long.
It's in. So if we can break the trend line, if price can show some distance from the trend line, a little bit of space, I'll take a retest.
Ciao, guys.
Take care, Al.
Oh, see ya, Al.
See
Peace
ya
out.
from Witchup.
Okay.
Witchup says, see ya.
Jeez. Yeah, I think I'll come back later.
$83, I got 85.
I had 4 losing trades, all
Okay.
for small losses, but they add up. I'm down $132. 4 trades. Is that right? I guess that's right. Yeah.
Well, I'm short here and I'm hoping for a breakdown to the 80 or lower level.
Yeah.
Just to get me 81 and a quarter, which is the initial balance low actually. So but no. Oof.
How can we all be so wrong? Just minutes off of.
Okay, let's see. It popped to 21,504. We got a bearish fair value gap there, eh? On the 1 minute chart.
Oh, that it's overtaking right now?
Which isn't a bad trade because it's a bounce off the it's Christmas at Wood Chips.
Sorry. Yeah, that was my phone.
I'm going to take that for a small trade. Only because we bounced off the IFBG, the fair value, not the fair value gap, the initial balance low, which is right here at 480. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So let's see if we can.
Yeah, you have like 480 and 514.
At least get to the trend line. At least get to the trend line. Eight points. 0210. Sell limit. Are you going to be streaming tomorrow? What chip?
Streaming? No.
I'm making a joke. Oh, okay, I got taken out. That's good. Let's go for another 2 lot 106. Oh. Okay, I think it's quiet. We're coming up to 12 o'clock. It's 22. I think I'm going to call it quits for the morning. Maybe I'll show up in the afternoon, maybe not, because I got some work to do. And actually, I don't think I'm going to show up. I do have work to do. And if I'm going to come on in the evening for an hour or so, I can't spend my whole day in front of the ordinateur, in front of the computer. So, most likely in the evening as usual, but if not, then tomorrow morning.
All right. Sounds good.
Sounds good, sounds good. So thank you for showing up. I appreciate all that you've done. And I will see you either in the evening or tomorrow morning.
All right. Sounds good. Thanks.
Okay, take care.
You
Bye.
too.